If you have an Amana Ptac unit that squeaks every time the blower wheel stops, like this one here, it's probably the blower wheel bearing. Let me show you. Alright, so for this one we have to remove the blower motor so we can remove the blower wheel. Alright, so here's where our problem is at right here. Alright, let's remove the blower motor. Alright, so the plastic piece right here is coming out. So a lot of times that thing would actually come out completely. So if that blower wheel shaft is not seated correctly inside, that's the reason for the noise. Alright, so what we have to do here is just basically adjust that plastic part. Just push that thing back inside. So once we got that adjusted, let's put the blower back in. There it is. So let's try that again. Alright, let's go ahead and test it. Turn it off. There it is.